Back, you guys. So this is my brand new. It's only been about a week now that I've had this new Chroma scooter. This is, I think, like the second generation of the first one that I got, because you can see on here the throttle and information and the throttle itself is a little different. It shows for battery life really, but it's acting like kind of one of the digital readers for a car fuel. So like E will be empty or like low on battery power, and then all the way up to the top is full battery power. And then it has a light switch on the front right here. You could turn on the front headlight, but I'm never probably gonna use it because I got this rechargeable USB Type C headlight. And I did buy for bicycles. This is a signal light and a hazard light setup. It goes on the back of the bottom right here. So you see the arrow, that'll be yellow, and this will be yellow on the far right. And then it's got this brake light right here, and you could turn on and turn off if you want to. And I still got my bike wire locks basically. And I put some zip ties to make sure that the actual handlebar will actually stay in place and won't move, because it kind of seemed like it was trying to move a little bit, so I zip tied it really tight with like 3 zip ties. That is the newest zip tie right there on the bottom. But it says that it can do 15 miles on a full charge, and it also can do up to, I think it said 20 miles an hour. But I don't know about the mileage because this reader doesn't actually show the miles per hour. But I mean, you can always download the app. I'm thinking about designing a phone mount to the actual handlebar here, so that I can see like mileage and like Google's maps stuff, so I can see like navigation. And I did also buy these bike rearview mirrors right here. So I installed those. This one's the red one. They have a red, black, and I think a blue one. So I got the red ones. So I got it installed, and you can adjust by just pressing on it to move it where you want to put it to. And I tightened that down so it can make sure when I'm hitting like a bump or something, that it won't move the rear view mirror. So I got that one and this one on this side. So I have two different add-ons to this scooter, and then obviously I got my bike helmet, and I got some goggles as well. And somebody asked me on Amazon about the goggles, and they said if it'll be able to work with glasses on. I think it will, but I don't know for sure because I've never had glasses. So I have 20/20. I never had to worry about having glasses on. But I do wear sunglasses, but that's only when it's really sunny out and I'm not trying to get blind by the sun. But either way, I just wanted to show you guys this new scooter. It's basically like a version 2 of the first one that I showed you guys about. And so far, the throttle and everything seems to be working just fine. I just don't know exactly how fast I'm going because it doesn't show miles per hour like the original one did. But I don't care because the original one, that throttle and the actual reader wasn't turning on anymore. I still have that scooter just in case I need to replace like tires if a tire would pop or something. So I have basically spare parts for this second version of the scooter. Either way, hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.